Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Reviewologists. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Oukitel C4 that's coming up. I brought this product from AliExpress at around $60. Coming to the specifications, the Oukitel C4 has a 5-inch HD IPS display, a 2000 mAh battery, and the smartphone runs on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. It has 1 gigs of RAM and 4 gigs of storage that is further expandable up to 8 gigs. It has an 8 megapixel primary camera capable of recording HD videos at 30 fps and a 5 megapixel front camera. It has a quad-core ARM Cortex A53 CPU, a dual-core ARM Mali GPU. It also has Wi-Fi support, GPS and Bluetooth 4.1. It is equipped with proximity and light sensor and an accelerometer. Something seems to be here. Oh, this is a US to European power adapter. Let's just keep this aside. Now back to the unboxing again. There's another plastic here. Now let's open this. I hope this is the last of the packing. Thank God there's no more packaging material. It comes in an orange colored box. At the back we have the Oukitel C4 branding and some basic specifications. We also have the Oukitel brandings on the sides and the top. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. Right on top we have the smartphone itself. Let's keep it aside for now. Here's the warranty certificate and the quick start guide. Here we have an European power brick, and here's the charging cable. These are all we get in the box. Now it's time to boot up the smartphone. But first we need to remove the sticker from the battery. To remove the back cover we need to press and push it forward. This is the 2000 mAh battery, and as you can see this is removable. The sticker has been removed. Now let's put the battery back into the phone. This back cover is really problematic. Finally, it's done. Now let's remove the screen protector and boot up this phone. One thing I notice is how light this phone is, and the sides of this phone are quite unique. Well, it is taking quite some time to boot up. Alright, here we go. Okay, I'm going to select English as my language. Let's skip this. I'm also going to skip this. I'm quickly going to set up the date and time. Here we go. So, as you all can see, this is not stock Android. Let's check the settings. As you all can see, this phone is running on Android version 6.0, that is Marshmallow. Now let's check how much storage is available. As you all can see, 3.47 gigs is available out of 4.1 gigs. That's all guys, I hope you have liked this video. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe.